Hey guys, this is a gaming PC build for January 2015 from Tech Reloaded. So let's get right into the build. The CPU is AMD FX 6300. It has 6 cores. It's great for multitasking. It's great for gaming. For rupees 7705 and 130 US dollars, you can compare it to the higher end i3s, but the lower end i5s, these are much much better price than the i3s and i5s at 7705 Indian dollars. The next component is the GPU, and that is R9 270X from AMD. Here we are using the Sapphire version. The best bang for your buck, it has factory overclock of 1020 MHz of about 20 MHz extra, so you don't need any extra software for tweaking and tuning your settings and overclocking the GPU. It's 2 GB GDDR5 memory, which is very fast, 2 DVI ports, 1 HDMI port, and 1 display port, with AMD Crossfire support of about two-way Crossfire for rupees 14,800 and $246. The RAM is Kingston HyperX Fury 8 GB DDR3 RAM, 1600 MHz, only rupees 5,350 $90. You can't expect much than this. It's pretty good RAM. So 8 GB is enough for games today and tomorrow. 1600 MHz is not needed for gaming, but pretty standard. So next component is the motherboard, and it is MSI 978-G43 motherboard. It supports USB 3.0, AMD A AM3 plus socket for obvious reasons, AMD Crossfire support of about two-way Crossfire. Mild overclocks are very much possible in these motherboards, and with the USB 3.0 you get this motherboard for rupees 5245 $88. The next component is PSU, that is Corsair VS 450. As the name suggests, 450 watts power supply, pretty quiet, with room for future expansion of about 75 watts extra for rupees 2430 $40. You can't cheap out here, because if you cheap out, you can burn your PC and cause a lot of damage to your house. So please do not cheap out here. Western Digital Caviar Blue 500 GB is the standard hard drive for our build. Well, you can add an SSD if you wish, today or in the near future. It's enough for Windows software, movies, games, and all that kind of good stuff for today and tomorrow, with 7200 RPM at rupees 2915 $49. The Antec ASK 4000 BU3 is the case for our build. It has 7 expansion slots and damn good looks for rupees 2000 rupees $35. It supports USB 3.0 front headers, audio input and audio output jacks on the front, with the 3 fans, one on the side, one on the rear, and one on the front. Now we come to the total. CPU for rupees 7705 rupees $130, GPU for 14,800 rupees $246, RAM for 5,350 rupees $90, motherboard 5,245 rupees $88, PSU 240 30 to 400 and 30 rupees $40, hard drive for 1915 $49, cabinet for 2000 rupees $35, and total comes to 39,044 4, that is $660. Subscribe to my channel please, it helps me a lot. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked, comment down below if your feelings are more complicated. Links to all I talked about will be in the description. Once again, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.